Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affairs. It means one topic, one video in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is very important. This is Prime Minister or the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana who completes 9 years. Basically, on 1st of Jan 2026, the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, a flagship maternity benefit scheme of the Government of India, completed 9 years of the implementation, marking a significant milestone in the country's effort to support pregnant women and lactating mothers. So let's discuss Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana. So this is centrally sponsored scheme implemented by Ministry of Women and Child Development, and it was launched on 1st of Jan 2017. That's why in 2026 it completed 9 years. And this scheme is being implemented as per the provisions of Section 4 of the National Food Security Act of 2013. And the main purpose of this scheme is to provide financial support to the pregnant and lactating mothers to improve maternal well-being by ensuring safe delivery, reduced malnutrition, and weight loss during pregnancy. It also provides free meals during pregnancy and 6 months after the childbirth through the local Anganwadi is also envisaged so as to meet the nutritional standard. So this is very important scheme, Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana. Next is Mission Shakti. This is very important because this Mission Shakti was launched in the year of 2022 and it combines various schemes for the women empowerment, including financial support and safety. And this Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana was brought under the Samarthya component of the Mission Shakti, which focuses on economic empowerment and financial inclusion for the women. So very important part of this Mission Shakti is Samarthya component, and under the Samarthya component, this Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana is covered. So what is funding ratio? Funding ratio is 60:40. It is implemented with a funding ratio of 60:40 between center and state and the union territory with legislature, except north, east and the special category states where the ratio is 90:10. It means for the northeast states or the Himalayan states, the ratio is 90:10. 90 will be given by center, 10 will be given by state. And for the union territories without legislature, 100% funding will be provided by the center government. Who are the ineligible beneficiaries? All pregnant women and lactating mothers in regular employment with the center government or state government or public sector undertaking, and those who are in receipt of the similar benefit under any law for the time being in force shall not be entitled to benefit under the Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana. And the benefit is available to a woman for the first 2 living children provided the second child is a girl. And in case of the first child, the amount of rupees is 5,000 and in 2 installments it is provided, and for the second child the benefit of rupees 6,000 will be provided subject to the second child being a girl child, and this will be provided in single installment after the birth. So if it is one child, then 5,000 will be provided and it will be provided in 2 installments. And if the second child is girl child, then 6,000 will be provided for the second child and it will be provided in single installment. So this is the benefit under the Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana, or you can say Mission Shakti. So if we are talking about installment, the cash incentive is provided in 2 installments. First installment will be 3,000 and it is provided on registration of the pregnancy, and at least one antenatal checkup within 6 months from the last menstrual period date at the Anganwadi center or approved health facilities. And second installment of rupees 2,000 is provided when the child is registered and has received all due vaccines till the age of 14 weeks as admissible under the Universal Immunization Program of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So again, this part is very important that 2 installments are provided. One is 3,000, second is 2,000, and when it is provided, we already discussed. Next is the scheme provides financial assistance directly to the beneficiary's bank or the post office accounts through direct benefit transfer, supporting nutrition, medical checkups, and overall maternal health during the pregnancy and after childbirth. And if we are talking about beneficiary reach and disbursement, then as of December 2025, the scheme has enrolled over 4 crore beneficiaries. Exact number is 4.05 crore beneficiaries, and it is with more than 19,000 crore disbursed to support maternal health and nutrition. So total 19,000 crore rupees disbursed to support the maternal health and nutrition. And for monitoring and supervision, the implementation of Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana is closely monitored at national as well as state, district, block, and the project and the village level through this software. This is Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana software, or PMMVY software, which was launched in the year of 2023. So let's revise. This is Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana, who completes 9 years because it was started on 1st of January 2017, and today in 2026 on 1st of Jan it completed 9 years. So it is implemented by Ministry of Women, Child and Development. It comes under the Mission Shakti Samarthya component. This is Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana because it was launched in the year of 2022. Mission Shakti was launched in the year of 2022. So main purpose to provide the financial support to the pregnant and the lactating mothers. What will be the funding pattern? Funding pattern will be 60:40 for all the states, 90:10 for the UTs with legislature, northeastern states plus Himalayan states or the special category states, and UT without legislature it is 100%. So what is the benefit under this scheme? 5,000 for the first child, and it will be provided in 2 installment of 3,000 and 2,000. And for the second child, if the child is girl, then 6,000 will be provided in single installment. And it will be transferred through direct benefit transfer to the bank and post office's account. I hope you like this video. Share as maximum as possible.